Hi, it's Karen. I'm back. Let's do this thing. Today, I'm going to do a Zoom tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to sign up for an account and download the software. It's very easy, very quick. I'll do some more tutorials in the future on how to manage your session, best practices, how to look good in a Zoom conference, all that stuff. But for now, let's just get us started. I've been getting a lot of requests lately for a Zoom tutorial. Uh, Today is day, I don't know, 20 of the stay-at-home order, and a lot of people are keeping in touch with Zoom over the holidays. A lot of people are not on Zoom yet because they're a bit tech reluctant, maybe. I have an aunt I love to pieces, and she was reluctant to do Zoom, and I got her to do it, and I think you can too. First, go to zoom.us. In the upper right-hand corner, click the blue Sign Up It's Free button. Enter your email address, then go check your email to finish up registering. It's that easy. The second thing you're going to want to do is download the Zoom client. Go to the zoom.us/downloads page and download the Zoom client. That's going to be an application that resides on your computer, and that's what you'll actually be doing the Zoom from. So you have two parts. You have the Zoom website in your browser, and then you also have the Zoom that is the application on your computer.